Yeah, there's Mama Bear. Here's our car. That's a big group of people. Actually, two groups, I think from St. Louis and from Kansas City. They got their old cars here, and I just took there's a few more of them over here yet. And I just took a photograph of the whole group for them. And they're stopped here because this is right along Highway 66, historic Highway 66. And they just travel this route with their old cars. And it's kind of a cool thing to do. And you know me, I'm always looking for great content. Man, these are some oldies but goodies right here. Man, loving this. Wow, look at this old Chevelle. Mint shape, just beautiful. Oops. Bunch of Chevelles in this group. I like this one too. This is one of my favorites. And this red one. Gotta love the red ones. Anyway, yeah, this is Papa Bear along historic Route 66 in the United States. I just visited with a group of two groups, old car people, and they were passing through. Papa Bear out.